If you have ever heard of a Session Zero, you've probably wondered what it was or whether it was even necessary at all. Well, today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should always have a Session Zero before starting your Dungeons & Dragons campaign. Let's go. So, what is a Session Zero? Session Zero is a pre-campaign meeting where the DM and players discuss the do's and don'ts and to figure out what everyone wants from the game. This is absolutely crucial to do, and not having one is one of the biggest reasons your game will probably fall apart. The first reason you need a Session Zero is because it sets up player and DM expectation. When sitting down and discussing what the game will be about, how much combat and RP, players can voice their opinions or concerns. Some players love combat and others lean into role-playing. This is the time to talk about all of that. The second reason you should always have a Session Zero before starting any D&D campaign is because it establishes the player dynamics. As unfortunate as it sounds, some people just don't play nice. Getting together for a Session Zero can help you spot anyone you'd like to remove immediately before any serious concerns pop up. Hopefully, all your games are filled with wonderful people, but that isn't always the case. Before getting invested into a story, it's best to see if everyone works well together. And lastly, this is a great time to talk about boundaries and rules. If some people are triggered by certain things, or if there are homebrew mechanics you want to bring up, do it now. This way, when the game starts, nobody is complaining that your rule isn't in the books or that you didn't let anyone know that this was going to be a campaign based completely on rainbows and sunshine. Setting expectations, boundaries, and getting to know the player dynamics before you start your games is a great way to set the campaign for success. Hopefully these tips help you in your next Session Zero. Leave your own tips in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beast, come on, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.